Hello, this is Angelo Seminara, Goldwell Global Ambassador. We are here in the Salon in London, in Knightsbridge, and today I'm going to demonstrate a long hair look. And I want to do something that looks very cool, very youthful, but with a little twist that, it will make the overall look a bit different, than what you normally see. So this is my model, Charlotte. You can see here we have long hair. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of color here, just to create that really more, let's say, modern, a bit more, youthful look. And we're going to use Elumen to really make the hair become a bit more three-dimensional. After that, we're going to do a special technique, which we're going to show you in a minute. So what we've done here, you can see, is the color that has been beautifully done. We dried the hair, we put the fringe on. Now I'm going to show you something very interesting. This is a coat hanger, and all we do is we just rebend it in a straight, and then we do two bends, and you get this. What you do is you place it here, and then you have to weave the hair around, but in a very large way. So you get this beautiful kind of strong large waves, which is quite unusual and quite cool. So what we're going to do, we have taken a diagonal section and we're going to comb the hair really well, like this. Position the coat hanger in the middle there, and it's just going to hold it gently there. That's all we need to do, you can see. Then we're going to comb the hair again, and we're just going to basically feed them through. Make sure that each time you feed them through, the hair is really nice and clean, just like that. See? Beautiful, clean. When we get to the ends, we don't want to make it too curly. So we're going to drag this, open it a little bit, and we're going to fix it with a little bit of tin foil. You get these beautiful waves. Just spray a little bit in and under. We're going to take the flat iron and we're going to start from the ends going up. Always gentle to the hair, and you can go few times up and down if you want. So you can see here the final setting. It's a very beautiful setting, and what I love is that I just recycled some coat hanger and you can get something very beautiful. And now what we're going to do, we're going to take each one out just like this, and all you need to do is just slide it. Just going to use a comb, and we're going to brush the hair. And we're going to brush all of them. So we've got the brown ones, they go over,